Hi guys, hope all's well. Graham from Trading College here. I was keen to show you how I traded the open of the Nasdaq yesterday. So I came to my daily chart here on the right hand side, and you can see we were firing a pro trading system red short here, and it was short, short, short all the way down with the coloured red candles here, and we were 4 or 5 bars into the momentum trigger storyteller here, which you get as part of your package as being a student here at Trading College. And I jumped down to the 1 hour chart as we use multiple time frames to make our analysis before we place a trade. And you can see that a few hours prior we had fired another pro trading system short here, which is the candle with the bright red and the dots there are the levels for potential profit taking. And we can see that it continued to come down and the price was below the EMAs, and we were in momentum red dot red storyteller down there. So in the run up to the open here, we fired another pro trading system short, and it broke the EMAs as you can see here, and we were in momentum trigger on the way down in the run up to the open. And this is actually the open here, the candle of the open here. So we had multiple time frame confirmation here that we were going short, and you can see how simple this is. It's really just sell on red when you get these setups here. I mean, there's a little bit more to it which you would understand once you were a student here and you were going through the education and coursework, but you can see this is a very simplistic example of how easy it is to make the trade. So when we had the red dot red and everything coming down in the 1 hour, we jumped down in here and I placed a trade here. I was confident it was going to shoot down further, so I placed my trade, and by 2:35 here, inside 5 minutes, I'd made my £500 in my day's money. So that's just one of the many ways that we can trade here, but this is a very fast and furious one that might be great for certain personality types or people that maybe don't want to sit at the screens all day. And then we will also have other indicators here. There's a blue candle with a trend predictor showing us that thinks the market is going to come back down here, and you can see on the next candle after that trend predictor it starts to come back down again. So that's another strategy that we have here, which you would get as part of your package. So if you'd like to learn more, there's a link to our booking diary in the description. Just click that link, book a session with Chris or Tamazin to get more info on the courses and what we offer here. And we have the Pro Trader course, we have the Pro Trader AI, where you can actually automate trades. So, for example, it would take momentum triggers for you in the direction of the market. So you might be doing something else, and the bot would be in here placing trades on this candle, stop up here and trading it to the downside for you. And we also have one-to-one mentorship where you can have in-person days with us at Trading College and learn more about all the different ways that we trade and help you grow your profits. So book that call back and we'll hopefully see you soon. Cheers now. Bye.